It's a Demo Donna here with Queen and Company, and I am going to be using the Bottoms Up kit as well as the fabulous Halloween foundation die. And to start, I have taken these 3 base foundation dies from foundation die number 16, the square. And I just used a simple bright green cardstock, black cardstock, and I am also using paper from the Jewel Tone Patterns. This is from foundation die number 8. To create your shaker card, I am going to take the outline die and I cut it out in black, as well as this paper, and just cut a little groove so there's actual drink in my glass. And I'm going to stick that down before I create my shaker. So that's on the outline, the inside of my shaker card. Then I'm going to take my double-sided foam, layer that right on top there. Pop that out, and now I have the inside of my shaker. I am going to add some purple diamonds. I've got the light purple and the dark purple. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of dark purple. I don't wanna fill it too much because I just want it to cover kind of the portion of my drink. I'm going to take that protective cover off. Take my piece of acetate, and now I've got the base of my shaker. Add your sheer glue, a nice thin layer. Set that down. From the really cool Halloween foundations, I just simply cut a little piece of the very cool slime border, and I am just gonna adhere that to the top of my spooky drink. And there we go. We've got a cool little trim on our cocktail. All right, next, also from the very cool Halloween foundation, I am using the little zombie hands, and I am going to stick those to the base of my card here. See, I actually used the edging of my foundation die here to take up that white space. All right, I am using the tall skinny stem, and I'm just gonna add a little adhesive to the base. Place that right there in the center. Now I'm gonna take a little red liner tape, drop that down, peel that off, and I am gonna take some sheer glue, and then I can kind of position it wherever I want. So if I cut that stem first, I would be limited to the height of the stem, but the fact that I just glued it on my card base, I can now make my cocktail, my spooky cocktail, any size I want. So I'm gonna go right about there. So fun. Okay, next what I'm gonna do, from the Halloween slices, there are 4 different designs in the Halloween slice bundle. And I went ahead and took out the really cool little eyeballs, and we are gonna be adding those to the outside of our cocktail here. So I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 5. And I'm just gonna use my awesome little tool here, grab the eyeball, and drop it down. So I have them on the outside of my shaker card. Some eyeballs in my cocktail. Okay, speaking of eyeballs, the next thing we are gonna do, and these are from foundation die number 3, is I went ahead and created some really fun eyeballs. And the 3 circle dies that I'm using are actually from foundation die number 3. And then the eye black and whites are from our Under the Sea kit. They're actually the little crab eyes. And now I've created my 3 eyeballs, and I am going to adhere one down here. Right about there. And one up here. I'm going to take a little rolly tape, so I'm using Drink If You Dare from the Hocus Pocus kit. I'm going to take some rolly adhesive, and I am just going to adhere a little bit of my slime to my seine here, so it's kind of dripping out from under our seine. Make sure it's nice and even. Drink If You Dare. We're gonna layer that right there. And now you've got some extra slime coming out from under your seine. And now I'm just gonna take a few more of my eyeballs and some extra bling. I'm gonna do a few little goosebumps, some iridescent bubbles. We are gonna add some more of our eyeballs. So I'm just gonna take a few little drops of the sheer glue. And now I'm just gonna take some little rhinestones, and there we go, our really fun and spooky Halloween cocktail card. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.